Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a complete 2D drawing in AutoCAD 2025. If you are a beginner and this is the best video for you. This is a drawing which we are going to draw today in AutoCAD. We will draw this drawing in AutoCAD by 3 steps. First, we will create the outer shape. Second, we will do the dimensioning. And third, we will do the hatching for the section view. So let's start. I will use two drawings, means two window, one drawing for seeing the drawing and second one for draw the drawing. Click on view and select here tile vertically, and we will minimize this one and we can adjust here. Here we will paste our drawing, this one, and here we will draw our drawing. Make sure you have to save your drawing. You click save and save. You can give the name anywhere. So first thing, we have to change the units for our drawing. Type here units, and here the units are in inches. If you are drawing in inches, use inches. If it is in mm or millimeter, select millimeters. I will select millimeters. Okay, let's start to draw this drawing. Click here on the ribbon. Line command will activate. Specify the first point on the screen. And for easy drawing, always use this ortho on. Now simply type the distance. We will use 220. Type Z zoom, E for extend. Your line will come within the limits. Same way line, this is 160 and this is 220, 220 scale. Now we will use the radius R16. Type here F for fillet. Type R for radius. Now give the value. This is R6. Enter. Select these corners. Now we have to draw a center lines here. Again select the line. And this point to this point we will extend a little bit here. You can simply pick the point and drag. Here we need a center line, but this is not a center line. Now here click on by layers, select others, and here line type menu will open. You can also do with the command, type simply LT, enter, and this line type menu will open here. Now you have to click on load, and I will select here hidden line. Center line is already there. I need two lines, center line and hidden line. Simply close this one. Now specify this one, select this line and click on by layer, change to center line. You cannot see because the line type scale is very small. Type here LTS and give the scale, I will give 20. Now you can see that. Same way I have to use a vertical line here. Select line command from this point to this point. And now here I will use a new command, match properties. Select here match properties. Select this center line and apply on this line. Enter. Match properties is, it will copy the existing match property of the lines and transfer to the selected lines. We have to create a circle now, dia 120 and dia 84. From the ribbon, select circle and click center diameter. Specify the point here and give the diameter 120. Select the circle, center diameter, specify the point here. Diameter is 84 and one is 80. Specify the, again we have to give a circle diameter. Select circle diameter. Specify the point here, and is 80 and this is the 80. So this outer one we have to make it hidden line. Select by layer, make it hidden. Now we have to draw this for circle, and this is offset. Type O, enter, give the distance 50, and this side is 160. I will use 80 for offset. And here we have to create a dia R18 circle. Select circle diameter, specify this point, and dia is 18. We will trim these lines. Now we have to mirror this circle. Type mirror select this one from this point to this point. Here, mirror these two circles from this point to this point. We can draw this center line automatically also from in this AutoCAD 2025. Click on here, annotate, select on center mark, select the circle, and this center line will come automatically. This is the top view, and now we have to create this front view here, and we will use a projection line. Click on home, select lines, escape, select line command here, and this is also the projection line. We will trim this one. This is not required now. Offset 20, and again offset 76. Type offset, give distance 76. Move it there. And here also for this circles we will use the projections. Type trim. Use match properties. Select this hidden line, and this is the hidden now. Again match properties. This center line, select this one and this line. Same way we will use projection for this one. Projection for this one, and this is offset 15. Type offset, give this is 15. Enter again, and this one is 15. This is also 15 bottom. Type trim, and we will delete these extra lines, not required. Same way here, and this is not required. We will trim this one. These are not required. So click, type, we have to mirror this in that side. Type mi from this point to this point. This is not required. So we have to use here the radius for type fillet, radius 4, type radius r, enter. This point to this point, this point, this point, fillet, this point, and we will extend this point. This inner radius is R2. Again type F, radius, this time 2. And we have to make this hatch, match properties, select this hidden line and select this one. We will simply use a solid line here. Now we have to do the dimensioning. This is not required, so I will cancel this one. Zoom extend, type D. For dimensional style, click on modify, click on line, and you can select your colors. I will select this one blue, and this is offset from origin. I will make it 5 and beyond 3. Symbols and arrow, you guys can select the arrow shape, close fill, close blank, dot. I will select here closed fill, and I will give the arrow size 7. Here select your text color. I will use this one green, and I will also text height 7. And here you can change the text placement. Right now in the center I want above the dimension line, and here the offset I will make it 3. Click on ISO standards, Click on primary units and change the precision to 0. OK, and close. For dimensioning, select this linear dimension. This is 220. Type D, modify, we have to change the color of the extension line. Close. Same way here. 160 dimension. From this endpoint to this endpoint. I will trim this one, extra line, move this one up. Click here a radius and select this radius here. Now we have to select diameter, diameter of here. Select this one, diameter is 18. Press enter, diameter 120. R14, you simply click here and drag it outside or in. I will move this one up a little bit. Again, click here on the linears. It's 220 from this point to this point. If you want to dimension continue, type here dem continue, or you guys select the point, the dimension will continue. Same way here from 15 and this point to this point is 15. Select the radius. This is R4 and this one is also R4 and this is R2. The dimensioning is done. Now we have to do the hatching of this portion. Now we do the hatching in this portion. Type H for hatch, and once you click on these patterns here, you have to select the patterns. Select this one, this portion. I will cancel this one because we didn't mirror this side. Type MI mirror and this point. Again type H, this portion and this portion. We have to change the scale here. 100 is too big. Double click this one, make it 50. Escape. Same way, use match properties. This one to this one. So we completed this 2D drawing completely. We done the dimensioning, we draw, we use all the commands which are used in AutoCAD to draw the 2D lines. With this, you can draw any 2D drawing in AutoCAD.